In every enterprise today, advantage comes from orchestrating decisions intelligently, with accuracy, with trust, and at speed. Let's take one example: order to cash. For years, it was treated like routine back-office work, but today it's the lifeblood of liquidity. It turns revenue into cash, and in a world where speed wins, O2C is now deeply strategic. Yet most enterprises still struggle. Data is fragmented, exceptions pile up, and manual routing slows decisions. Here's what that looks like for someone living it every day. Meet Linda, our global AR lead. She manages high-value orders, unapplied cash, disputes, etc. Until recently, that meant chasing people, reconciling files, and constant firefighting. But today, Linda is powered by a digital workforce. Specialized AI agents running on EdgeVerve AI Next. Before you see them in action, here's how an agent comes to life. Step 1 begins with understanding the persona by describing their role and the activities currently performed to handle the job. Here are the templates we use to structure this process. Step 2 is building the agent on the platform. Drop in an agent, name it, and pick the right model. Simple. Then define the agent's intent with natural language prompts. Attach enterprise tools so it can fetch real data and act. And finally, set the routing logic that decides where the work flows. And just like this, the full agentic force comes alive. A digital workforce that transforms Linda's day, her decisions, and enterprise outcomes. Let's hear from them, what they actually do.
Hi, I'm Nova. I orchestrate across the order-to-cash journey, sensing signals, coordinating agents, and activating the right action.
Hi, I'm Ava. I assess credit risk and protect revenue.
Hi, I'm Chloe. I ensure every order is fulfilled accurately and by policy.
Hi, I'm Ethan. I handle cash application and reconciliation with ease.
Hi, I'm Brandon. I resolve disputes end-to-end, driving fair outcomes.
Now, let's step into Linda's day. A high-value order exceeding credit limits has been spotted by Nova, who instantly activates Ava, the credit agent, to look into it. Ava evaluates risk and exposure and applies conditional approval based on credit guardrails. Ava then hands it over to Chloe for fulfillment. Order movement becomes clean, governed, and controlled without slowing a beat. Another major bottleneck in the O2C cycle? Unapplied cash, payments received but not yet matched to invoices. Let's see how Nova, along with her team of intelligent agents, resolves this bottleneck, turning this into a seamless process of matching, approval, and posting in minutes. Pretty amazing, right? Finally, let's look at one last scenario: how disputes are resolved with speed and precision. A French customer flags an overcharge, and Nova instantly routes it to specialized agents that handle investigation, resolution, and posting in one smooth flow. Behind every simple interaction Linda has, there is a deeper agent-to-agent conversation happening, where agents evaluate, reason, decide, and hand off work to each other in real time. And beneath that, code, rules, and logic execute silently to make those decisions operational. Each outcome is then captured and added into a growing universe of knowledge, making every agent smarter every time. Like order to cash, AI Next transforms enterprise operations with agentic intelligence, making complex workflows simple and helping enterprises move faster and think smarter.